Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, just continuing my experiments with transformers, so I thought I'd do a quick video on this. What you're looking at is a power transformer out of an old amplifier. And you can find old electronics all over the place with transformers in them. Anyway, it has 110 volts going into the transformer, 12 volts AC coming out of the transformer. So as you see, I've got this connected to a magnetic lock-on, and the other end is connected to our old friend, the lamp dimmer. Watch this. So this mercury is running directly off of this transformer now. And as you see, I have full control using the lamp dimmer. Power down, power up, and there's plenty of power here. You can run this fast enough to derail it. Turn it down a bit. Anyway, if you're looking for a cheap amp or a cheap transformer for your layout, this is the way to do it. The lamp dimmer itself is $6. You can buy these new for about 12 bucks online. This is rated between 4 and 6 amps. So 110 volts in, 12 volts AC out. You want to run this on, or if you want to convert it to DC, you just put a full wave bridge rectifier on it, and you have a DC transformer. In this case, it's straight AC. It's basically just a big coil. But as you see, it works. That's the neat thing about it. You know, you can do this pennies on the dollar instead of going out and buying a transformer, or an actual train transformer. You can buy one of these, a lamp dimmer, wire it all together, and you can power your entire layout with these things at 1/10 of the cost of buying a transformer. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. As you see, it works. Plenty of power here. Plenty. Between 4 and 6 amps. And as you see, this runs this Marx mercury absolutely perfectly. Now, these Marx motors draw between 1.6 and 2.2 amps. So we've got plenty of power in this little transformer, as you see. Anyway, you can make this thing entirely self-contained just by sticking a dimmer on top of the transformer itself. You can lay it out on a board, you can mount it in a box, you can do all kinds of stuff. The thing is, this is what's supplying the power to this train. And as you see, this is working absolutely perfectly. So 12 volts AC coming out of this old transformer. Hook it to a lamp dimmer and you have a way to power your trains, pennies on the dollar of anything else. As you see, this is running absolutely perfectly off of that transformer. So no problem with this at all. It has enough power to derail the train. You can really crank this thing down. Remember, this is still AC. This is not DC. This is standard AC. And it works, as you see. Not only does it works actually really well. It has lots of power. As you see, it runs really well. It's really simple. It's really inexpensive. More than enough power. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. Really simple way to power a layout. A standard step-down transformer. 110 volts to 12 volts. Between 4 and 6 amps. So this transformer will run anything that you can put on this rail. Literally. It'll run anything at all. As you see, we got full control of the speed. Like I said, you can run this fast enough to derail it. But as you see, it works. That's the neat thing about it. So, running the entire train on this little transformer. Like I said, 110 volts in, 12 volts out, between 4 and 6 amps. So this will power any locomotive there is. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. It's really simple. Again, it just reaffirms everything I say. Don't overlook the junk. A lamp dimmer, an old transformer, and you can power your layout with it. Really, really simple. Really powerful, really efficient and effective. Best of all, it is really, really cheap. So a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.